Hey, what's up? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam family. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. So today, as you can see, I'm going to be going over 2 different styles of lash mapping. Lash mapping literally changed the game for my lash career. I used to not lash map, and now I still lash map unless if I freestyle and kind of know the client. Lash mapping really saved my life. So here are 2 lash mapping styles that could really benefit you and change the game in your lash career. So if you're ready, let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, so I got the gel pads and the mannequin head from Amazon. Here you're gonna see me just apply the gel pads to the left eye and the right eye. The gel pads are going to be used for our lash mapping, so it is important on a regular client that you do use gel pads or some type of lash mapping so you can write on it. When doing this on an actual client, you would go ahead and cleanse them and prime them before putting on the eye pads to lash map. All of the links for the products that I have purchased will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to read that. Additionally, if you do use tape, make sure that you use a Sharpie or a gel tip pen so that you can write over the gel pad and the tape. So for the cat eye look, we are going to use shorter lengths in the inner corner, and they're going to gradually get longer in the outer corner, and then they're going to drop down again to the outer corner. Starting out, you're just going to draw 2 lines from where the lashes start and the lashes stop. From there, you're going to draw a line directly in the center, and you want to map out 7 quadrants, 3 in the front and 4 after that middle line. So for the inner corner, we're going to start out with a 9, then we'll go up to 10. We are going up 1 increment each time, then an 11, a 12, 13, 14, and then we're going to drop it back down to a 13 for the cat eye look. Now, the benefit of lash mapping is that you will always remember what areas you did, so you can stay inside that quadrant. You don't have to second guess on the other side, and you can keep that iPad so then you can enter it in your client's notes so there's no guessing when they come back for a fill. All right, onto the doll eye lash mapping. We're going to do the same thing starting out with mapping out our quadrants. We're just going to do the 2 lines where the lashes start and where the lashes end. Then we are again going to do 7 sections. This time I didn't start in the middle, but you're just going to do the 3 in the front, 1 line directly in the center, and then 4 more sections towards the end. Now this mapping is going to be a little bit different, so everything's the same up until this point. So again, we're starting out the doll eye with a 9, and the outer is also going to be a 9, and as we come in, the sizes are going to be the same, 10 here, 10 there. Then we're going to go up to an 11 on the other side, and 12 just in the center. That's where the length is going to be the longest for that doll eye look. This lash mapping is going to give the illusion that your client's eyes are wide open or that she has that doll-like look. The cat eye is going to do more of a liner look, so it depends on your client's eye shape and their preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on all of my socials right here. And don't forget to comment down below what was your favorite lash mapping. Alright guys, that was my lash mapping tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative. I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more lash tips and tricks.